Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin this evening with news from the agriculture sector. Jamaicans may have a challenge purchasing local bananas and plantains from markets in the coming weeks.
This after the local banana board announced an impending shortage in the commodities. While the authorities say the issue will likely be resolved within the next 9 months, farmers are warning the wait could be longer.
A trip to any local market for a hand of banana could see you spending about $300. For plantain, about $200 for a finger. But these prices could go up in the coming weeks. The local banana board is warning a shortage in banana and plantain is facing the island. The situation, the board said, is the result of extensive damage caused by Hurricane Beryl. Dennis Roberts is a farmer in St. Elizabeth. He lost up to 15 acres of plantain during last month's hurricane.
15 acres of plantain. 15 acres of plantain don't come just within 1 month or 1 year. It takes a lot of time to plant.
He says he's worried about the impending shortage, but he's not surprised.
Everyone should be aware of that long time because you see, planting is a 9-month crop. And this hurricane was really a hard-hit hurricane. And it blows down all the plantain and all the bananas.
This because compared to other crops, banana and plantain are most susceptible to wind damage, and as was evident, Hurricane Beryl was not short on wind. A detailed assessment conducted by the board revealed an average 74% damage in the sector, which amounts to $2.1 billion. General Manager of the Banana Board, Janet Coney, says the actions of banana and plantain farmers during this time will determine the rate of recovery over the next 9 months. Now, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says the ministry is already working with farmers to begin the process.
Clearly, the ministry has already started recovery efforts. We're working with the farmers through the Banana Board, providing them with some fertilizer so that they can bring back the crop in the shortest possible time. We've already started distribution across the parishes of St. Mary and parts of St. Andrew, and we're going to go all around the island helping our farmers to recover.
But Mr. Roberts is warning the commodities may be off the market for way longer.
Like me now, when I check the cost just for labor alone, it's $1.5 million to bring back that, which you not even have the resources. The government will help you with a little fertilizer, but that is not even enough. And it is not even coming on time. So it's going to set back like planting and banana for a very, very long time. The planting might go up to even $200 per pound.
The minister insists if the crisis persists, the government may acquire the products from, quote, external sources. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.